Game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan. Colin, you're going to improvise a scene, and you'll have to respond to sound effects made by Ryan. Here's your microphone, Ryan.
Thank you.
And your scene is you're an ambulance driver on your first emergency call. An ambulance driver on his first emergency call. Take it away.
Oh, just like that, yeah. Oh.
Bing, 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 bing. All that energy, all that thought, that was brilliant. Unfortunately, that was a non-scoring round. Really sorry. Your scene is, Colin, you're the Lone Ranger, and you find out that outlaws have hijacked a speeding train. Get it? Okay. A lot of points right in this one. Don't blow it. Thank you very much. That was great. I'm going to award points in that game according to shoe size. Congratulations, Ryan. Big winner there. The scene is you're an Eastern European Olympic gymnast, and you need a perfect 10 on all your routines. I'd love to give you a lot of points for that, but I distinctly said gymnast, and all your thing was for track and field. But hey, nice try.